All right, after you get all the post holes dug, the next thing is putting in the actual posts, and we'll kind of go through the procedure here. All right, so the goal is we've got this string running from corner post to corner post in that direction, and that's on the back side of this post. So all my other posts in each hole, the back of the post needs to be just touching that string. So this hole needed to be a little bit wider, so I dug that out. And we have solid clay, and so it's all kinds of fun. And then I've already measured the gravel and put the gravel in the hole. And to speed the process, I just go ahead and fill this up a number of times till I measured the first hole to figure out how much gravel, 4 to 6 inches of gravel in the bottom, counted how many of these I need. Now, then all I have to do is just keep filling these up each time. And so the gravel's in. Now we're gonna take the post and put it in the hole and just try the fit. Our holes are 30 or more inches deep. That's so that the frost heave doesn't pull the posts up when it gets really cold. And it's going to vary from area to area, so you just got to check for your particular area. All right, so now what I want to do, and you can look and see how I'm going to just touch the post to the string, and with that just touching the string, then I'm going to check for level. And so I'm checking for level, and if I'm pretty close, then I know that this hole is going to work just great. So now I just lean the post in there. I want to get my bag post mix, and this stuff it's fast setting. Dump it into the hole and add water. So it does speed the process up some. Concrete is it's made of silica. Really bad for your lungs, so when I pour this in, I'm upwind of the dust. Or you can wear a respirator, which is probably smarter. All right, so that's one bag, and now we're gonna check the fit again as we go up, as we add bags, to make sure that it's staying level, because every once in a while it'll move as you add stuff, and so this one is moving a little bit. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna tilt the post this way. I'm gonna add concrete, the bag mix, in the front part of this, and then it's going to form a barrier, and when I push the post back, it'll push the bottom of the post to the other side of the hole, because there's going to be concrete in front of it. And that's because I'm about a 1/4 inch off right now, so I need to move the bottom of that just a shade. So I'll get one more bag. We'll add some more to the front here of the hole. Okay, now, so now I just jiggle it, and it's settling down in the front of here, and then as I bring this pole this direction, there's concrete, bag concrete mix there, so it's going to kick the bottom of the post out, and that's what I'm looking to do. Okay, so I'm just touching the wire there. Now I'll check for level again. And that's true front to back, just touching the line, that's perfect. And now we go side to side. And because there's some of the mix in there, I can just hit the post and get it to its right position. And that's level. And now we'll go ahead and add more mix around it. And we just keep adding mix and checking, adding mix and checking. The directions on the bag say if it's more than 30 inches deep, you add water halfway up. You fill the hole halfway, add water, and then do the other half. But ours are 30 inches, so we're fine. So that's still level. And see, all I have to do is hit the post and it'll move just fractionally, so that's level. So we're good to go. Now we'll top it off to about 3 or 4 inches off the top of the hole, and then we'll add water. And each hole will take about 1 gallon of water. And now we just let it sit and percolate, go down a little bit, and then we'll add some more to the top so that the concrete is going to be just higher than what is going to be the surface of the ground, so that water won't pool next to the post. Wait, let me go ahead and add, I'll add a little bit more. All right, and that's it. Now we just let it set. In 20 to 40 minutes, it'll be good. And in 4 hours, you can hang wood on it, which is really terrific. All right, so now that's just a rinse and repeat. Just keep doing that, making sure that your post is just touching your guideline there. And once it's all said and done, if your posts are level, you'll have a completely true, straight looking fence and ready for wood. I hope this video helps. If you got any questions, drop us a line. Please subscribe. We have lots more videos coming. Thanks for viewing. Share it with your friends, and we'll see you next time.